Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Easter egg toys is probably one of the most exciting and delightful ways to celebrate the holiday, offering a fantastic blend of surprise, fun, and discovery for children and families alike. These aren't just simple plastic eggs, they are miniature treasure chests filled with a variety of small toys, candies, and novelties, designed to bring smiles and laughter during the traditional Easter egg hunt. From tiny figurines and stickers to puzzles and sweet treats, each egg holds a unique surprise, making the hunt an adventure and the unboxing a moment of pure joy, transforming a simple pastime into a memorable experience that kids eagerly anticipate year after year. Number 5. Dan&Darci Dig a Dozen Dino Egg Kit. Get ready to feel like a real paleontologist. You can excavate 12 unique toy dinosaurs from these Dino eggs. Discover a T-Rex, Dilophosaurus, Ankylosaurus, and many more. Once you've dug up your dinosaur, find the matching card. Each card describes the history and characteristics of your amazing discovery. This kit includes everything a young scientist needs. You'll get 12 Dino eggs, each with a unique toy dinosaur inside, plus chisels, brushes, and learning cards. This science project is both fun and engaging. It's a perfect STEM activity that fascinates children and fosters a love for science and paleontology. Looking for a great gift or Easter basket stuffer? This kit is perfect for individual play or group activities, making it an exciting present for boys and girls. What we like? If you have a budding paleontologist at home, this is the perfect choice. It offers the excitement of discovery with 12 unique dinosaur models to unearth. Each dinosaur comes with an educational card, making it a fantastic STEM activity that fosters a love for science and history. You should choose this if you're looking for an engaging and educational experience that goes beyond just a toy. What people say. Each egg feels like a mini adventure as they chip away to reveal a surprise dinosaur inside. The included tools and Dino fact cards make it feel like a real dig. Great for STEM learning, rainy days, or even birthday party fun. Quality kit. Included dinosaur cards that they could match the dinosaurs to. Great way to learn about dinosaurs and have a lot of fun doing so. My kid and his friend had so much fun hammering away at the eggs to discover the dinosaurs inside. It kept them entertained for a long time and felt like a fun mix of play and learning. Number 4. Toomies Hide and Squeak Eggs. Introducing a delightful set of 6 colorful squeaking eggs. They're a perfect addition to any Easter basket, offering hours of educational fun. These interactive toys feature shells that crack open to reveal adorable, colorful chicks. Your little ones will be amazed as they discover what's inside each egg. Gently press the chicks' heads to hear them squeak or rattle. This creates a fun auditory experience that encourages exploration and giggles. These educational toys help children improve their recognition of colors and shapes. They can sort each egg into its matching base, enhancing sensory play. With their compact size, adorable colors, and cute chick theme, these plastic eggs make a perfect gift. They're ideal for Easter baskets, holiday stockings, or birthdays. What we like? For the little ones just starting to explore the world, these adorable eggs are a fantastic option. They are designed for developing hand-eye coordination and color recognition through simple sorting. The delightful squeak and rattle sounds will keep babies and toddlers entertained. If you are looking for a safe, sensory-rich toy that aids in early development for babies 6 months and up, this is the one. What people say. The base of each egg has a shape to it that matches only one space in the egg holder. Each egg has its own color and its top has a face in the same color. The inside eggs peep when you push on them, much to the delight of my granddaughter. At the bottom of each eggshell is a different shape that matches the placement of the egg in the container. Example, the heart shape goes into the bottom of the container in the heart space. Very educational, size was like a real egg. Easy to clean and durable. I love that it covers facial expressions, color matching identification and shapes. I appreciate that you have to work a little to find the right spot for each egg in getting the tops on the eggs, not too hard, but enough to make it a challenge to where they are working on dexterity and also truly need to know what shape fits where. It's a very engaging toy and the cute squeak sound they make is probably my 2-year-old's favorite part. They're also very durable, the case included. Number 3. JOYIN 24-pack Mini Animal Plush Toy Assortment. Get ready for an exciting collection of adorable mini animal plush toys. Each one is uniquely designed and bursting with vibrant colors, ensuring no two are alike. These charming little companions are ideal for birthday parties, classroom rewards, or as delightful stocking stuffers. They make fantastic party favors and carnival prizes too. Crafted from premium, smooth fabric, these plush toys are incredibly soft to the touch. You'll love how comfortable they are to hold and cuddle. Looking for a great gift? These make wonderful learning toys and exciting additions to goodie bags. They're perfect for safari-themed parties and as fun keychains. We are dedicated to your satisfaction and safety. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, please reach out to us. We're here to make sure every moment is filled with joy. What we like? If you need a large quantity of small, delightful gifts, this assortment is ideal. With 24 unique and soft mini plush animals, they are perfect for filling goodie bags, rewarding students, or as carnival prizes. Their small size and keychain attachment make them versatile for decorating backpacks or keys. You should consider this if you're planning a party or need a bulk supply of charming, huggable favors. What people say. These are the cutest little miniature stuffed animals. They are quite well made for the price. These will fit nicely in Easter eggs for my 8 grandkids. They are also a little bigger than I expected, at maybe not quite 4 inches. They also seem a lot better sewn than I expect, so they aren't going to fall apart within minutes of playing with them. Sweet little plushies. We used these for Easter egg gifts and they were perfect party-friendly gifts for my daughter's class. The material was very soft and overall this was a great little gift. Number 2. Dog Pop Tubes Fidget Sensory Toys. Introducing our fun Dog Pop Tubes, the perfect sensory toy for kids. These unique fidgets are designed to engage and entertain. With a creative and safe animal design, these tubes can be shaped into various forms. The cute body ensures safety while providing endless exploration. These sensory tubes offer a delightful popping and stretching experience with a crisp sound. They are ideal for toddlers and kids aged 3 and up. Looking for Easter basket stuffers or classroom prizes? These mini pop tubes are a fantastic choice for kids of all ages. These fidget toys are great for children with autism and toddlers. They provide a satisfying tactile and auditory experience. Each toy dog features mechanical legs for stability and a head and tail that can rotate. They are built for fun and durability. What we like? For kids who love tactile and auditory sensory experiences, these dog-shaped pop tubes are a hit. They offer a satisfying popping sound and can be stretched and manipulated into various shapes, providing endless fidget fun. The cute dog design adds an extra layer of appeal. If you're looking for engaging sensory toys for toddlers or kids who benefit from fidgeting, especially as Easter egg stuffers, these are a great pick. What people say. All the kids love the different colors and the way you can move its limbs. Great for kids 1 to 4. They are the perfect little size for little toddler hands. They thought they were fun putting the dog's legs in various positions. Great fidget toy that everyone loves. Number 1. Kiss Monkey 640 PCS Prize Treasure Box Toys. Introducing a massive collection of 640 party favors, featuring 50 unique designs. These toys are crafted to ignite imagination and creativity in children, making every occasion special. Designed for effective stress relief, these fidget toys help improve focus and concentration. They offer a soothing sensory experience, perfect for study, work, or relaxation. Looking for the perfect rewards? This bulk toy set is ideal for classroom treasure boxes, school rewards, and carnival prizes. Bring smiles and create lasting memories for kids. These versatile favors are perfect for piñatas, goodie bags, stockings, and Easter eggs. They're also great for birthdays, Valentine's Day, and Halloween giveaways. Each toy in this set has passed rigorous safety tests, ensuring they are safe for children. Made from durable materials, they are built to last and can be easily stored. What we like? When you need a massive variety of small toys for a large group or event, this bulk set is unbeatable. It includes 640 pieces with 50 different types of fidget toys, perfect for filling piñatas, classroom treasure boxes, or goodie bags for kids aged 8 to 12. These are designed for effective stress relief and sensory engagement. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to provide a wide range of fun and calming toys for many children, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The detail in some, and the surprising quality in others. The spinners spun. All the rings were intact. 2 sets of the toys that could even use as a center where kids can build stuff almost like Legos. From small plastic fidget spinners to bookmarks and projector-like fake cameras, would recommend. Nice for someone wanting to offer a prize box without wanting to spend a lot. Also, there's a nice variety with each toy offering a different function. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.